Hi everybody, today it is still NAVIFORCE unboxing series. We got the model of the wristwatch of NF9163. Okay, now let's have a look at what it looks like. First, we open this parcel we received from online store. Okay, open it. Oh. First, we can see here is a watch band adjustment for the stainless steel strap. Okay. Then it is a black case that there are two layers. Let's put it out. Okay. Here, the outside case, we can see the NAVIFORCE brand logo and the NAVIFORCE professional waterproof. Okay, we put it on here. This is the case we received. When you can see here, also the logo, the brand logo and NAVIFORCE logo here. Now, open it. The first one we can see is the one cleaning clothes. Yes, clean clothes for to clean the watches, the glass. Oh, we open it. It's very soft. You can clean the watch or clean your mobile phone. Yes, clean the mobile phone. It's also you can for many use, or for your eyes glasses. Also you can clean use it. And the next one is the movement instruction manual. Yeah, here. Movement instruction manual. And the next one is a guarantee card, NAVIFORCE guarantee card. And we can see it have 1 year guarantee. So if we found any questions when you receive the watches, you can use this card to contact the after sales to solve some universal questions for the watch. And the fourth one is a silicone deskant here for driving. And the last one is our main product, 9163 watches of NAVIFORCE. Let's have a look around these watches. You have a very nice colored rose. The gold contrasts the brown color. A contrast color, brown and ghost. It's very fashion. Yes, very fashion. And this is the protect silicone here. Then here the barcode also has the protection here. We open it. Open here first and here. There are two sides open buckle here. Yes, very nice and feel quality color. Deep brown color. Yeah. And this buckle is very easy to open or close it, and very easy for wearing the watches. Wow. Okay, when we receive the watches, you can see here the watch hand. It doesn't work now, and just the digital watch is working now. We have to put out this pink. You see this? We can see there is a white pink here, small pink. We put it out. Yeah, this pink. We have a clear. Have a look to this pink. Then we put it on this button, the crown. Now the pointer is work. The watch is working now. We see this is second hand, and this is the mini hand, and this short one is the for hour, for second. And we can see these watches. It also and multifunctional watches. For here it's the date, and here is the week for week. Here is Tuesday here, and here is the time. And also I like this button very much because you see, when you push it, the LCD light will on for 3 seconds. I like this function very much. When you're in a very dark places, you put it, it's working very nice. Yes. And we can see the transaction menus. It's very useful. We can see. We open it. It's so large, the menu. Here we can see there are 8 languages for different language. First is, you can see here, for English. Then 4 buttons about this watch. And how many functions here show to you, showing here. And the product function mode, normal time mode, stopwatch mode, and alarm mode, and time setting mode. So it means this model NF9163, it had 4 modes. 4 modes for normal mode, stopwatch mode, alarm mode, and time setting mode. And how to adjust it, we can see here for the details. If you want to see how to adjust all these modes, you can see next video, or you can tell me what questions you want to ask. I will show how it works in next video. Please follow us. Remember to follow us. And, okay, here is the for English menu. For here is for Espanol, and here for Portugal, and this is for Arabic. And the back side also have 4 languages: French, Russian, and Dutch. And the last one is Chinese. 8 languages you can find on the menu. And it's very clear to teach you how to adjust the function. Also have the picture to show you how to adjust it. See, I like this menu. It's very clear. Yes. Okay, this is all for this model 9163. I show you again all the unboxing object. Here is the I forgot to introduce this band adjustment for this stainless steel strap, and also I have another video to show you how to adjust this kind of stainless steel band. Follow me and find more video for the unboxing and for how to adjust the watch band and how to adjust those multifunction LCD watches. Okay, this is all today. Have a nice day for you. Bye.